Okay. My next question is, so from a consistency and commitment perspective, how do you advise other students for the great outcome from the bootcamp? What I mean is, if someone is just talking but they're not committed, I know it's not going to work. Someone is committed but they're not consistent, I don't think it is going to work also. How important it is, you tell like how you sacrifice your day and night and how committed and consistent you are. I think you mentioned something. So give a precise answer how important it is after you believe, then your discipline, commitment, and consistency is super critical for the bootcamp to complete and become successful.
Yes, sir. So commitment and consistency. This is the most important thing, because if I just watch my first workshop this week, I cannot just, like take a pause for 3 weeks and then go for the second one, because between these 3 weeks, I forgot literally everything that so I have to start again from number one content. So consistency is, yes, sometimes we didn't get any time. Sometimes we have our family out, we have our job. So on that time, just spend 1 hour. That's good. So at least your mind will be in the right track. That like right tracks mean like the consistent way to learning. So if you just learning, like learn one day 5 hours and then you just give your brain rest for 5 days and then learn 10 hours, you will like lose this 5 hour with that 10 hour at the same time. So if you don't have time, just go and just read, like study every day for 2 hours. Just take your brain to that consistent way that your brain know, okay, so I have to go for 2 hours, or at least I have to save that information in here. So this is the most important thing. You have to be consistent. Okay, we don't have time, just go for half an hour. We are just, because time means sometimes we are just driving our car, or sometimes we are just riding in a bus or train. Just use the earplug, just listen the video, listen the workshop. That will be enough. You don't need to be all the time take a seat with a table with a laptop and then study. This is not the like this is not our platform like this. While we are just riding on bus or train, while we are just walking in the park, while we are just like taking a cup of coffee, on that time you just need to like concentrate that the workshop, just listen. And then when you just get done, or when you are just get done with all of your work, when you have a free time, then you can just go again that thing you just did that at the workshop, and it will be easy for you to like make it or understand more clearly. But this is the bad thing, or this is the worst part, that if you just learn today 5 hours and after 3 hours you will just spend more 15 hours. There is no way to do that.
Got it. Yep. So again, this is very important. Consistency and the commitment, they're all important, especially if one is missing, other will not work. Thank you.